Hello friends, today we will see very nice pottery mix using coconut coir. Soak your coconut coir and get lots of cocoa peat very easily. So watch this video till the end. As you can see 5 kg compressed brack of coconut coir. So this how look like coconut coir. I buy this from online. You can also buy from your near nursery or garden store. As you can see the quality of coconut coir. This basically is a compressed bracks of coconut coir. Now it's time to expand this coconut coir bracks. Add water, at least 10 to 15 gallons of water required to expand this. After few minutes it start expanding. As you can see, it's absorb the water. Add the water to coconut coir and lets the brack absorb the water. As you can see, please follow my techniques and methods. Soak this for 13 minutes. After 13 minutes, my bracks absorb waters. As you can see, my bracks at least 10 to 11 inches in height. You can see all sides of my coconut bracks absorb waters. Add more water to expand. Please do not overwater. Use water according to its needs. After 1 hour, brack absorb all the water. As you can see, break the bracks with your hands. you can see still some part of coconut coir is still dry. You can just keep soft part aside and then add more water so the rest of breaks down. Here you can see all coconut coir is ready. You can see coconut coir absorb all water. Coconut coir not contain nutrients. Coco peat is used for seedling purposes.